Welcome everyone. Our today lecture is about cranes. So we will first discuss what is crane, some main causes of crane accidents and some kinds of cranes and then the hazards associated with cranes. So first what is crane? It is basically a tall machine and it is utilized for moving heavy objects or material in a way to suspend them with its big projecting arm. It is used to carry huge objects from one place and to another place with its big arm. It contains a large and heavy arms through which it carry different objects. It is used in safety work in different construction and other type of industries. Now let's jump. What are some of the causes of cranes accident? So cranes contact with power lines as it is heavy and it is also tall. So in that case, it may touch with power lines, electrical power lines, and an accident may occur. Crane overturn. When it overturn or it take a turn, in that case, it may hit something or it may be a person, it may be other machinery hit by the crane. It may also hit by the opposite way. There may be some other machinery coming in the way of cranes, so it may hit with the cranes. As it is huge in size, it occupies a lot of space. Loads may fall from the crane. The load which it carry from one place to another may fall from its arm and lifting devices in the hook which may not be supposed to be carried in the hook. There are some scenarios in which some devices or in some cases mains are lifted with the hook of the arm which is not a proper procedure and it's not allowed. So it may also result in an accident. Mechanical failure may occur. There may be some mechanical problem in the crane, although it may be inspected by the safety officer with the help of a mechanical engineer. So, but it may be the hazard if it's not looked after. Kinds of cranes are hydraulic cranes, mobile cranes, gantry, overhead, and tower. There are different kind of cranes. You have to look it in the Google as it's not beneficial to go into the detail of each of one as it will take a lot of. Now, what are some of the hazards associated with crane? High speed of crane is one of the hazards. It may sometimes take high speed, which it is not supposed to be. Improper inspection and maintenance. A mechanical engineer will not inspect it or maintain it, for example, regularly or properly, but a safety officer have to show it. Parts of crane which are unguarded. There are some parts of crane which are dangerous and when someone or some machinery touch with it, they may got injured or they may get hurt. So in that case, there are some parts of cranes which are unguarded or unprotected or they are not guarded with some material as we have discussed the guardrail system in the previous lectures. Working near power line is the main hazard. Open window of cranes, shattered window of cranes are the huge hazard as it may hit by some material in the pathway. Load rating not proper. If there is a specific load which a crane have to carry and carry it from one to another place and it carry a load more than that, then it's also an hazard. So load rating should be proper. No guardrail walkways. The path through which a crane goes is not safe or let's suppose if it's not guarded with certain kind of material so it may comes or it may have an accident in the past. So guys, this was about cranes. Hope it helps you a lot and take care and see you in next lecture.